Hello, welcome to Cyntoons. Today we are going to talk about amazing things in the house. Let's go. This is a chair. We sit on it when we want to rest or eat. Can you find a chair in your home?
This is a table. We use it for eating, working or playing games.
This is a bed. It's soft and cozy and we sleep on it every night. This is a lamp. It gives us light when it's dark. This is a TV. We watch our favorite shows and cartoons on it. This is a window. We look outside through it and let in fresh air.
This is a fridge. It keeps our food and drinks cold.
This is a cup. We use it to drink water, juice or tea. This is a spoon. We use it to eat things like soup or rice. This is a pillow. It helps us rest our head when we sleep.
This is a clock. It tells us what time it is.
This is a book. We read stories and learn new things from it. This is a carpet. It makes the floor soft and warm. This is a door. We open it to go in or out of a room. This is a sofa. It's big, soft, and great for watching TV. Wow, you did amazing! You just learned 15 words for things you can find at home. Can you name something in your house? Say it out loud. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cyntoons, and come back for more fun learning. Bye for now.